Hello everyone. Today we are celebrating 125th World Mosquito Day. We, the students of Maharashtra College of Arts, Science and Commerce are presenting you a short but informative skit on why mosquitoes are important in nature.
World Mosquito Day is observed every year on August 20th to commemorate Sir Ronald Ross's discovery that Anopheles mosquitoes transmit the malaria parasite to humans. Generally, it is the female mosquitoes that bite us. Male mosquitoes feed on plant juice and nectar. Also, not all species of mosquitoes bite us. Today, in the following skit, we are going to tell you more about this. Well, do you know that there are more than 3,500 species of mosquitoes? That's a really big family. Although they all look similar to us, with a blackish red body, grey transparent wings and a horrifying sucker. Well, actually they are not. There are differences in them which we'll be telling you today. Well, do you know that mosquitoes travel thousands of kilometers, and that too in a gang, in search of fresh, tasty blood? Yes, mosquitoes do have a sense of taste, and that's the very reason why you become their victim, whereas your siblings have cozy sleeps. There are many functions of mosquitoes in the ecosystem that are overlooked. Indiscriminate mass elimination of mosquitoes would impact everything, from pollination to food webs. The fundamental food for most of the adult mosquitoes is plant sugar associated with nutrients, most of it in the form of floral nectar. In search of food, mosquitoes pollinate many of the flowers they visit. Mosquito pollination is hard to see, as most of the mosquitoes visit flowers near or after dusk, and human presence disturbs them. Yet another function is biomass transfer. Mosquito larvae grow consuming microorganisms that decompose decaying plant material, such as algae and microbes. They contribute to aquatic food chains by serving as a food source for many of the predators, including birds and fish. Thus, mosquitoes may be a nuisance for us, but it is a blessing for many other species in the world.
Hi, I'm from Anopheles species. Now you know me from this name. But do you know who named me? Well, let me tell you. J.W. Megan in the year 1818 first described and named me. From my 460 species, 100 of them can cause malaria. Only 30 to 40 of them commonly transmits parasites of Plasmodium that causes malaria in human. We females feed on blood, but males live for a week feeding on nectar and other source of sugar. Males cannot feed on blood as it becomes toxic in their body, eventually killing them. I do feed on sugar, but I usually require a blood meal for the development of the eggs. My lifespan as a female is of 2 weeks in nature, while males live only for 1 week and then our life cycle is over. So friends, beware of me.
Hi, I'm her sister, Miss Culex Mosquito. Depending on the stage of my growth, during adult life, I may measure up to 4 to 10 mm. My 2 forewings, head, thorax, abdomen are horizontally held when I am at rest. But when sucking blood from testy humans, I lower my head and raise my bottom horizontally. Just like I play a role in disease transmission like West Nile viruses. I also transmit filarial worm which causes elephantiasis. I don't have a pathogen, but when I feed on an avian amplifier and then feed on a humans, the West Nile pathogen are passed to the humans. Do you know that? I am a diverse genus comprising over 20 subgenera that include 1,000 species. Aren't you surprised to hear it? Yes, that's me with a wide variety.
Hello, I am Miss Aedes Mosquito. I am visually distinctive because I have notable black and white marking on my body. Just like most mosquitoes, I am active and bite only during daytime. For me, the peak biting period is early in the morning and in the evening before dusk. My partners are known vector for numerous viral infections. We have the most prominent species that transmit viruses, Aegypti and Albopictus. I had the specialty to transmit viruses that cause dengue fever, yellow fever, West Nile fever, chikungunya and Zika virus along with many other less notable diseases by human. Diseases leading to death can be caused by me. Well, you know what? Being a female, my type can be further distinguished by the shape of abdomen, which is pointed at the tip, and there are sensory structure associated with mouth part, which help me to sense human blood type. I hold my body low and parallel to the ground with the proboscis angle downward when landed.
Importance of mosquitoes. You often believe that mosquitoes serve no purpose other than to annoy humans. Yes, this is easy to believe as you sweat us away when you enjoy outdoors. But remember, this is not true. You believe that mosquitoes are the irritating characters who have no importance in ecosystem, but this is too incorrect. Well, from over 3,500 species of mosquitoes, not all of us bite humans. Only some of our species are considered as pests. But do you know what purpose do we actually serve? Pay attention and hear me. Believe it or not, we are pollinators. In fact, our primary food source is flower nectar, not blood. Just like bees or butterflies, we transfer pollen from flower to flower as we feed on nectar. We fertilize plants and allow them to form seed and reproduce. Beyond pollination, we are a part of food web too. We form an important source of biomass in food chain as serving food for fish as larvae and for birds, bats and frogs as flies. We make nutrients such as nitrogen that plant feeds on to serve. You humans better now make clear that we do have a purpose and an ecological role to play just like you humans. So though we are very much annoying and irritating to you all just like every other species in existence, we are beneficial and important to many. Got it?